So welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're in Dublin. We're going to have a look around the city centre and show you the 6 things you have to do while in Dublin.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
First up we've got Trinity College. This is at Dublin University. It's a 19 acre site, Georgian buildings. It also contains the Book of Kells here, which you can go and have a view and a tour around for €26 each. The Book of Kells, if you don't know, is a 9th century manuscript of the 4 Gospels. And as well in the library there's over 200,000 books for you to explore. Also just opposite is the Irish Whiskey Museum. Beautiful. We're not going there, we're going to walk up here to St Stephen's Green. So we're just walking down Dawson Street. We're going to walk all the way down here to St Stephen's Green, which is a Victorian public park built in 1877. It goes over 22 acres. So here we go, site number 2, St Stephen's Green. Walk up that side. Wow. I don't know if you can see how clear the water is. Not very deep, but very clear. that's St Stephen's Green, so we're now going to head up to the third stop on our tour. So next up we have Dublin Castle. It's a pretty cheap tourist attraction for you to go around. Adult tickets are only €8 and kids under 12 go for free. It was constructed in the early 13th century on the site of a Viking settlement. Dublin Castle served for centuries as the headquarters of English and later British administration in Ireland. In 1922, following Ireland's independence, Dublin Castle was handed over to the new Irish government. It's now a major government complex and key tourist attraction. Yeah. The next thing to do on our must-dos while in Dublin is to go for a spot of lunch or dinner at Conor McGregor's famous pub, the Black Forge Inn. You can try his very own Irish Forge Stout, which is fantastic, and the food to go with it is also very, very good. I had the steak on a stone, cooked beautifully, melted in the mouth, and the homemade onion rings were amazing. The staff there are also very lovely. They look after you very well, and you even get to hold Conor McGregor's championship belt. So it's well worth a visit. So next up on the tour is the Guinness factory. Thank you very much. Thank you, buddy. So we just left the Guinness Storehouse. We're going to go over to Temple Bar. Just thought it's worth pointing out there are these horse and carts you can rent as like taxis. They'll take you anywhere. So it's €30 to go from here to Temple Bar, but we're going to go with the Uber because it's €13 instead. But if you want a little journey on a horse and cart, you can do. So next up on the tour is Temple Bar. So Temple Bar is a district of Dublin, which is like where all the partying and the drinking happens. And there's also Temple Bar Inn, which is the famous pub. But just before that, you can see we've got the Hard Rock Cafe. And here we go, Temple Bar, the actual bar.
chapel here and go to Maitland Jail. I think about these past few weeks, and will they say we failed from our school days? They had told us we must yearn for liberty, but all I want in this darkness is to have you to stand alive to share our life, for we must say goodbye. No, there won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye.
There's your smoking area.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you've enjoyed these videos of Dublin City Centre, there's a playlist on screen now where you can see a more detailed video of each of the attractions I went to. And again, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.